morning, my beautiful people. This is So Junkies, and we're going to be learning this beautiful hairband. Quickly, let us get in. We're going to have our fabric. It's a stretchy fabric. Don't forget, a stretchy fabric. We're going to have it on fold, and I'm measuring my head circumference, which is 22 and a half. 22 and a half, making 11 and 1/4. So I measure 6 inches up. So 6.5 inches up, mind you, and I'm just cutting out the fold. It is 22 and a half by 6 inches. That's the measurement. Then we just sew this straight line, then we'll cut out, and then we'll turn it out to get the right side out. So the next thing is we're just going to I'm using zigzag in order not to have edges that are not neat or fine. We are using zigzag to cut it out. So the next thing, just fold like you are seeing me do, and you have your own beautiful headband. That's hairband A. Quickly, for the hairband B, we are going to have a fold of same stretchy fabric, and here I'm just folding with my leftover fabric, and I have about 5 inches on fold, making 10 inches if it's not folded. 10 inches if it's not folded. As you're seeing me do, I'm just using my zigzag, your pink shear scissors, to just cut it so it has a very beautiful edges on the inside. So we'll sew that straight line. The next thing is to cut a small piece of fabric for band, the one I'll use to create the bow effect, and which is that. So go to the sewing machine, just sew the straight parts and also sew the little parts. Say it's 3 inches for the small band. Then quickly, this is what I'll do. I'm just using it to fold over. I've sewn it, I'm flipping it to the right side out, and this is what you have. You have a very beautiful bow hairband. This is very lovely. It's very, very beautiful, and it's quite easy to make. So you see how beautiful it is. So let us know in the comment section if you love it and you are going to try it out. We can also improve this by adding a bow to it. See, this is so lovely. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you.